Hello friends, in the last tutorial we will discuss about the advantages and disadvantages of CGI, that is Common Gateway Interface. We see many use of CGI, but against them many drawbacks for the CGI also. In this tutorial we will talk about creating a guest book. When you create a website, sometimes you want to create to it. Then you can with just HTML. That is where CGI scripts come in. CGIs can seem very tricky to use and install. It is very hard to install and use. But you will find that they are not as hard as you would think. First of all, we learn about the guest book. What do you mean by guest book? What is guest book? Guest book allows you to. Now, we come on the next topic is remote hosting a guest book. How to remote a hosting guest book? This is as easiest way to add a guest book to your site. You simply sign up for a guest book like Facebook and then link to it from your site. The remote host does the rest. There are many free options and some will even let you customize your guest book to look more like your own site. First, you need to choose your guest book company. A particular company for a guest book is working in CGI. There are many choices you can choose based on price. Most people want a free guest book. For this article, I choose to use my computer.guestbook. This is my name of guest book. I choose this site primarily because they offer a privacy policy, so I know exactly how and if the information that I provide to them will be used. They also seem fairly easy to use and straightforward. This shows you the HTML tags you should use to link to your guest book. If you want to host your own guest book, this is possible as well. This article, installing a guest book built your own, should help you to get a standard hosting of your own guest book. Thank you.